Hi there, it's Timothy once again, and today we're going to look at how to identify errors from a given data using conditional formatting. Something actually happened over the weekend and somebody called me and said, Timothy, I'm so tired. I've been working the past 4 days trying to clean up, go through data that was submitted to him, and it was exhausting. So right here today I will show you how you can actually easily identify errors from given set of data. So this is just a sample data, basically a state and client phone numbers. They are just random numbers, almost the same numbers, just with some little adjustment for errors. Okay, so by default this the values here are supposed to be, for a standard phone number, supposed to be 11. So if you take out the first 0, this is a Nigerian phone number, if you take out the first 0, you will be left with 10, which is very okay. All right, so that means from all of these phone numbers, if you have anyone less than 10, it's not complete, and if you have anyone more than 10, it's over complete in quotes. So we want to actually identify any phone number that fall into any of those categories. So just follow me while we walk through it together. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is to highlight all of this where we have our values. Let's say Control A right here. Let me take out these headers. I don't want them highlighted, so I just Control click the headers to take the highlights out of those parts. I'm going to go to my home tab here, and I'll say go to conditional formatting, new rule, and then we want to use a formula to determine which cells to format. So that's correct. So what we want to do now is to input the formula that we use for the formatting. Okay, so I'm going to say equal to len. The length function allows you to returns the value of a given text or a given string. So for example, what is the length of Lagos? Right here, it's supposed to be 5 because you have 5 letters there. The length for this phone number is supposed to be 10 because there are 10 digits there. All right, so the length, open bracket, and I'm going to say D3, which is this value here. I'll close my bracket and I say less than or greater than 10. So if the length of the phone number that is here is less than or greater than 10, please give us a kind of red background. Okay, so I don't really want this red, so I'm going to use more colors to give us a kind of red background. So okay, I'm going to okay this and okay this. So right now Excel will go through all the phone numbers and see, look out for anyone that is less than 10 digits or greater than or more than 10 digits. So right now you can see that you don't really have to strain your eyes to count. It has already given you a kind of formatting that makes it easy for you to identify data with error. So you can see this Lagos state is less than 10 digits. Let's keep scrolling. You can see another one less than 10 digits. So this one is actually much more than 10. The same thing with this, much more than 10, and this, and so on until you get to the end of the data. Even if you have a blank cell, it's going to highlight it for you. For example, that is gone, and you can see that automatically it identifies it for you. So I believe that's a good way for you to easily identify cells with data error, and it's going to help you improve your performance while at work. So if you've learned something, do well to give it a like and share it with your colleagues. I'll see you some other time.